I'm drilling holes through the joists to be able to slip 1.25 PVC orange fire sprinkler system pipe into the dining room area. And the reason is that we are finishing phase 2, which is the kitchen area, and opening it up to phase 3. And that is going through 2 joist bays about 27 inches into the next room over the ceiling in the dining room. So 27 inches is going to put it right in about there. Okay, we repainted the bathroom here a different color. Got these nice crystal light fixtures installed. And these cabinets are here. Got our angle stop valves on. And the carpet layer. Installed the carpet today. So that looks good too. That's the access door to the attic space, crawl space out there. You see the little roof here. So that's where the TV and entertainment center will be. His and hers closets. And there is the deck. And we yanked the chimney out of here today. There's a hole. One of the bricks fell on the oven outlet. Okay. Okay, so we put in a can light in place of that 4-inch octagon electrical box. But you can see that we have each individual wire that was in the box goes through its own loom clamp, and each of them has insulation on it. And so everything, this box is actually larger than the octagon box that it came out of. So that worked out pretty well. And then we have a 14.2 going over to that light fixture. Okay. And then that conduit had like 6 conductors in it. All right. And there you see we took out the rest of the framing around the chimney. So this is where we are going to be putting a double oven, actually a wall oven and a wall microwave. And if you look up, you can see the sky. And that'll get patched up tomorrow. It's going to be sunny and hot for the next week, so we're not going to worry about it. Here's our beam and post bracket and beam, post bracket, and the post, 4x4 post. And then we've got these other 2x here. We'll maybe put another one in there since it's easy access now. So tomorrow we will put up wallboard and seal it up. And the load from the chimney was 3,040 pounds, $249. We had a pretty good week. We got our fire sprinkler inspection, which passed. We had our inspection on the plumbing for the island sink loop vent. And we have our circuits coming up through the floor here. There's the sink disposal and instant hot, the dishwasher, and 2 countertop outlets. Then one thing I like to do is we're running the PEX up through the floor too, and I like to put 3/4 inch tube PEX over the 1/2 inch PEX when it goes through a floor, just to add some extra strength to the PEX pipe. Just a little extra protection. So we have 3/4 inch CDX plywood glued and screwed down to the floor, and we are still hanging off on gluing down this section here because we may have to mess with the gas pipe there. But we got all our wallboard up. The chimney is gone. And the ceiling is up. So everything is looking great. We've got the wallboard across the sidewall here under the vaulted ceiling. And then we have an extra layer of wallboard going over the old wall there, replacing the 1/4 inch wallboard that was there before. And then we have some new outlets in here. There's the outlet for the fridge, there's the water line for the freezer, ice maker. And then here we're putting under cabinet lighting for the countertop. That is where the stove and range hood is going to go, and it will go out through the sidewall about here to a exterior mount wall fan motor. There's one of the fire sprinkler heads. There's another one here, and one more here, which we still have to cover the ceiling in here. But things are going very, very nicely. Let's see, I think we still have to patch the ceiling in here too, yeah. So there you have it. A very productive week. Got anything to say, Leo? Huh? Nope. Leo, good boy. Good boy. And this is where the butler desk is going to be, and some wall cabinets, base cabinets. And again, this will have some countertop lighting too. And there's where the switch for that is, and there's the wire hanging out for it. Okay, that is it. We are calling it a week and gonna get hopping. But things are really coming along nicely and looking good. Okay, I hope you are enjoying following along on the progress of this project. Next week we do mudding paint, hopefully, and then we'll start installing oak floors and cabinets. So we're coming down to the wire on this project. It's coming along quickly now. It's at the exciting, fun stage because most of the hard stuff is behind us, and we're going to be starting to see the finishes going in. And that's kind of the reward whenever you do this kind of stuff, is seeing the finished product. Okay, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.